Hello everyone, have you ever wanted to fly controlled airspace, but you don't know how to? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that. It's as simple as downloading an app or opening up a web page. So let's get to it. Okay, so here's the app that I use for my air traffic control approval, Autopilot. It's available on iPhone, Android, and your PC. Alright, so let's say I want to fly out here in the Humboldt/Atascocita area. Now that is all controlled airspace. That is going to be Class Bravo airspace for George Bush Intercontinental Airport. What I will need to do is I will need to get air traffic control approval. Alright, so it's a real simple process to get ATC approval. What we're going to do is we're going to launch this app or web page called Autopilot, and we're going to do what's called a LAANC approval. LAANC means Low Altitude Authorization and Notification Capability. So it's a real instant process of getting approval for flying in controlled airspace. Let's say I want to come over here and fly in the Atascocita area / Kingwood. Well, as you can see in the shaded quadrants, there's an altitude limitation of 400 feet above ground level. The closer to the airport you get, the altitude goes down. For example, 300 feet, 200, 150, 100, 50 feet, and right at the airport, 0 feet, meaning you can't fly at all in that space. So let's go ahead and pick an area that we want to fly. I'm going to say over here in Atascocita off FM 1960. Okay, so there's a 400-foot limit, and I want to fly in this quadrant right here. I click that. Okay. So I'm going to select the time that I want to fly. I'm going to say October 9th at midnight. There we go. And how long do I want to fly? Well, I think 1 hour is good enough. I also need to check my weather. And there's the weather conditions. 5 mile per hour sustained, 12 mile per hour gusts. Alright, now I need to select my mission radius. I want to fly, let's say, 1,000-foot radius. Just drag that little bar. There we go. I hit continue. Now I need to select my altitude that I plan on operating at. I'm going to go right up to 400. 400 foot. Selected. Hit continue. Now I'm going to submit my request for ATC approval. Alright, and we'll hit submit. It's thinking. Alright, air traffic control has approved my mission. There we go. Now, there's a few more things to consider, or actually do, when you fly controlled airspace. One, you will need your phone on at all times. Have the ringer on. If anything were to occur and air traffic control needs to get a hold of you, you will need to have that on so they can contact you. If I also need insurance for a commercial flight, I can do it right here through the app. And I can go over here too and view my mission. Alright, and it's as simple as that. Alright, now that I've shown you a basic overview of how to use the LAANC system, hopefully this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And everyone have a good day and take care.